Hey folks, Randy here doing cut and trim. So I like to make things as easy on myself as possible. So, you know, whenever it's time to lift the deck on the mower so that I can change out the blades, you know, I always got to figure out how I'm going to do it. Usually I'll just either grab a block of wood or I'll grab a jack and lift it up. I've got a mower jack, but it's really big and a pain in the butt to set up. So I actually did something that is pretty simple. It's just scrap wood, and it's made my life a lot easier. It's this little thing right here. It's just some scrap wood from a project and an old board that I had laying around, and I set it up so it's the perfect height for changing the blades on the mower. So I'll show you what I mean. Just fine. By the time to there you go. It's just set at the perfect height, and you know, I can get under there and there's not really much stuff in my way, and I can do what I need to do. So, you know, nothing particularly exciting about that. This is obviously a push mower only tip, because that would definitely not work with zero turns or grandstands. But yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat when I'm inside, my wife really wants me to wear a bigger hat when I'm out mowing, but I hate wearing hats. I just got used to wearing a ball cap, and I think I look stupid in this hat, but I figure the more I wear it, the less I'll feel stupid. So that's why I'm wearing it right now, so I can get used to it. So have a good one.